Hello! Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've filmed a video. I was on vacation. I went to Hawaii with my family and it was so wonderful. It was just so wonderful. But I thought I would jump on the Sephora sale bandwagon since it's on till May 6th. I don't even know what the date is today. The 3rd, I think? I don't know. Anyways, I have another video that I did previously on a Sephora sale, and that one did really well, and so I thought you guys might like to see what I have going on right now. So I'm just gonna do a little get ready with me and talk about some of my favorite products from Sephora that I buy over and over again, and some new ones that I've been trying. So I used the Isle of Paradise self-tanning drops in dark. The whole time that I was away. I never tan my face. I always wear a lot of sunscreen and a hat. And you kind of still get a little bit of color, but to make your face match your body, I always use self-tanner on my face. So that one's a really great one. It's vegan, organic, cruelty-free. It hasn't broken me out at all. It says that you can use 1 to 12 drops. I use about 5, and I'm quite dark right now. This is the dark one, but I just use fewer drops. I find that the darker colors are a little bit more brown, not necessarily just for this brand, but in general. The lighter ones can be a bit more orange. Something else that I picked up and something that I used on vacation as well is this FAB Beauty Ultra Repair cream. You can use this on your face or body, and it's really great for when you're traveling. I just had a mini version of the face wash, and I used that while I was away, and I really, really liked it. I find that FAB is great for like a non-irritating, kind of good for sensitive skin kind of brand. I have an empty. This is the Ole Henricksen Banana Bright Eye Cream. I'm sure that all my friends and family are shocked because I really don't like bananas. It's like a weird, I don't really like fruit in general. I'm sure you guys are gonna freak out in the comments. Everybody goes, oh my God. But this doesn't really smell like bananas, and it's probably my favorite eye cream. So I've ordered one from Sephora. Okay, before I get going on my makeup, I'm just gonna put on some lip balm. This is the Agave lip balm from Bite Beauty, but they've changed the formula, so it's like a little bit less sticky and a little bit less thick, and it glides on better than the previous one. And I love this lip balm because it's all natural and they use organic whenever they can, and it's from Toronto. And then this is another one that I've been using, the Agave Nighttime Lip Therapy. And it's just like a little bit thicker. It's good for when you're sleeping. I have my base on already. I'm going to use my favorite bronzer. This is the Marc Jacobs Omega Bronze. I just love this color. It's not orange. I always restock at a Sephora sale whenever I need to. And it also smells like coconut. It smells so good. It's just my favorite bronzer ever. And it also lasts quite a long time, I have to say. Like, it's not a cheap product, but it lasts quite a long time. The only thing is that it's massive, and so I never travel with it because it's so big. Okay, I'm gonna start on my eyes. I'm gonna use this stunning Nars palette. This is their Summer Lights palette. Look how beautiful the artwork is. And this is what the palette looks like. They've got bronzer, highlighter, and some eyeshadow. I haven't worn eyeshadow in like a month. I'm gonna use this one. Do I even know how to put eyeshadow on anymore? I don't know. I almost wear like no makeup on vacation. Like, I'll just kind of cover up any spots that I need to. And sometimes I'll wear mascara like at night, but not very much. So I'm just putting this as kind of like a halo around my eye. It's a beautiful kind of reddish brown. I love these colors. And then I'll go in with this darkest one. Don't really know what I'm doing, but Just go with it. Ooh, that's so pretty. I find that Nars makes such gorgeous palettes. And again, I know that they're not cheap. And a lot of these products were gifted to me. Although that never means that I feel pressure to use them, by the way. I'm going to use this really pretty bronze color just in the middle of my... Oh, wow. Stunning. I'm feeling quite tired today. It's a Friday morning and I need some coffee. If I'm a little bit all over the place, that's why. I just like to kind of clean up the edges with a Q-tip to get the shape that I want. And then I'm going to use a smaller brush. Also, the Sephora brushes are really great. Like, I use this Sephora multitasking brush all the time for my foundation. And what else? I have a ton of other brushes. Their eyeshadow brushes are good as well. Is this Sephora? No, but they have a good one that's similar to this. I'm just gonna put a bit of the brown underneath too. And just along the outer lash line. And then I'm gonna smoke everything out with the bronzer shade. Just kind of like blend. Maybe I'll do a little bit more brown in the crease, that dark brown in the crease. Actually, maybe I'll do a bit more dark brown along my lash line. Okay, I'm gonna do mascara, Shu Uemura eyelash curler. This is my favorite one in the whole world. I never use any other one. I mean, Pat McGrath FetishEyes mascara. Expensive, so take advantage of the sale, but it's quite an amazing mascara, I have to say. And I'll do 2 coats. Oh, fuck. I just poked myself in the eye. Okay, so you're supposed to wait until the mascara dries and then just kind of flake it off. And then I usually like to go over it with a brush just to like make sure that it's all gone. Although I'm sure that I'm gonna get more on when I do my second coat. Concealer, Milk Makeup Flex Concealer is my favorite, so I'm just gonna put it under my eyes and then spot conceal. I like to go around my mouth too. Just got a few spots up here, one here. For brows, I'm going to use Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. I love this stuff. It's clear, so I just brush my brows straight up. My eyebrows are microbladed. I just get asked this question so many times, that's why I repeat it so much. So sorry if you know this already. They're microbladed. I have a video all about that if you're interested in more information and kind of where I got it done, all that stuff. I will link it below for you. But I find that the brow setting gel stays for quite a long time. What else? What else am I doing? Blush? I guess I'll do blush. I'm going to use the Nudestix Nudies Matte in Sunkissed. This is a newer product. It's such a beautiful color. And I actually don't love the brush on the back, although it's really convenient for traveling. This is a Charlotte Tilbury brush, Hollywood Complexion brush, that I love for blending in cream blushes. And then it also has a small little brush on the other end. So beautiful. I'm gonna set with this Marc Jacobs, what's it called? Instant Blurring Beauty Powder. It's really luminizing and pretty. Just with a small brush, Just put it under my eyes, on my chin, on my forehead. I guess I'll do a second coat of mascara. So I curl in between because I find that it really helps keep my curl all day. And then I do a second coat with the Pat McGrath. Just kind of more of like a light one. This is my favorite bottom lash mascara. It is the Hourglass Caution mascara. Actually, before I do that, I'm just gonna blend my bottom out just a little bit more so there's no line with the concealer and the eyeshadow. But this mascara isn't waterproof because I hate taking waterproof mascara off, but I love it for my bottom lashes because it really doesn't budge. I'm gonna finish with another Bite Beauty lip product. I love their lip products so much. This is the new Outburst Longwear Lip Stain in Orange Fizz. Oh, wow. Wow. Thought I would go all out today, I guess. I'm just gonna blot it with Kleenex because with the eye and my tan and everything, it's like, it's such a beautiful color, and I would probably wear this with like only brows, blush, and this color, and I think it would look really beautiful, but this is a little bit much for me. I'm just gonna blot it. There we go. Just a little bit more like a stain. Oh, and I totally forgot to mention these. I didn't use them, but I am absolutely loving these Marc Jacobs lip liners. They're gel based, so they glide on really beautifully, and you can kind of just blend them if you want to use them as lipstick, which is what I do a lot. My two favorite colors are the nude ones. There is Nudist and Cream and Sugar. One's a bit more brown, one's a bit more kind of pinky, but I love these guys. Wow, this is the first time I've worn this much makeup in a really long time, but it's fun. I wanted to get on camera and kind of play around a little bit. All of these products will be linked in the description box below. And then actually one last product I wanted to talk to you about. By the way, none of this is sponsored. Not that that matters. Honestly, at this point, I would feel like if you don't trust an influencer because their content is sponsored, then you probably shouldn't follow them, because it's how I make my money, and I'm playing the long game with you guys. Like, A, because I would feel shitty promoting something that I don't even like, and B, because if you use it and you hate it, then you're not going to trust my recommendations again. So I don't know. Anyways, IGK, love IGK hair stuff. This is the Direct Flight dry shampoo, and it's also volumizing. I also love their Beach Club texture spray. I'm just going to use a little bit of this. My hair is already kind of all over the place, so I won't use too much, but I love this product. So there you go. There are my Sephora sale picks. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you guys want me to do more makeup videos. I've done quite a few more style videos, and those seem to be really popular, so I don't know if you guys want me to still do makeup and skincare, but please let me know in the comments. And I will see you next time. Have a great weekend. Bye.